I'm Travis, our instructor, and in this class of 16 months, you'll be able to learn how to get a vehicle in from wreck all the way to being on the road and safe to drive. If it has hard damage, you can put it on this frame rack. We teach you how to line everything up, how to measure and get things straight. And then once we get everything looking good, we bring all of them into the paint booth in here, where we teach you how to mask and tape things up and get them looking good to go on the vehicles so we can have that showroom shine. And if anybody has any questions or would like to know any more information, just give us a call here at the school or stop by.